Hi everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to make another reactor. So it's pretty much just like this. So what you're going to need is another reactor core. And how you make another reactor core, you need six iron ingots and 3 diamond. And you'll need cobblestone so you can just mine that, and the block of gold. And how you make a block of gold, just get 9 pieces of gold ingots, and we'll make 4 pieces of gold blocks. Okay, so here's how you're going to need it. Get the cobblestone, put it in a T shape, then put the gold in the open spaces like right here, and then put cobblestone on top of the gold like this. Then put the nether reactor core in the middle. Then get the cobblestone and make a T-shaped sign on top, like right here, like this. And then you can just press it and it will activate. But that's only in survival. You can't activate it in creative. And you're actually going to, it's pretty simple how much cobblestone you're going to need. You are only going to need 14 pieces of cobblestone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14. You see? I already counted that one. It's 14. And it's pretty simple. Some people, my friend, yeah, it's pretty simple like that. And that's pretty much all I wanted to say. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, goodbye.